at Montego Bay Airport, and now we're gonna go see the people from Club Mobay. And they should be right here waiting for us. Woohoo!
Right here, one, and there.
Oh my goodness, look at all the people from Club Mobay.
Excuse me.
That's a lot today.
Sir, excuse me.
Now we're gonna go to immigration.
So, welcome.
Go ahead, welcome.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica. I'm Barrington, and I'll be your agent for today. All right?
Okay.
All right.
First time here?
No, her first time.
All right. Welcome.
There's two.
All right. Let me have a look at your immigration forms and your passports,
Bye-bye.
please. Oh.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Welcome, ladies. Welcome. You have my shirt in one of the cases. I need my shirt.
The shirt.
No,
Your shirt in the case.
we were wearing them.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. So we are at the Club Mobay lounge. Here I have a little card. You can see it right there for Club Mobay. They have it in Montego Bay in Kingston. And basically what they do, they meet you, like you guys saw earlier. They meet you at the bottom of the ramp when you come off the plane. They have a little sign with your name. They put you through customs really fast, really easy. They take care of your passport, they take care of your customs card, they take care of your luggage. They have restrooms, they have food, they have drinks. So all this you can pay for, it's extra, okay? Highly recommended. It's really good, as you can see here on the lounge. That's a group of girls right there. There goes Miss Brenda with her snacks. Alright, so coffee, milk, hot water. As long as drinking red stripe. We got some fruit here. What else? Yogurt, club sandwiches.
The sandwiches are really good.
Pork sliders, pastry. Ooh, they got rice and salad and that looks like crackers. Bruschetta. Okay. That's what it is. All right. I guess I'm not reading the sign. Yeah. No. Okay. All right. Yep. So red stripe. Yes. You can drink red stripe. All right. Welcome to Jamaica! Jamaica, man!
What did you follow him here? Follow him.
Jamaica, man! Room review! Yay! RIU Palace, what tropical? No, RIU Palace Tropical. Okay. Really nice. Really nice room. Nice. Let's see. All right, so thank you. Okay, so I have a question. Is this rum included?
Yes.
So I can grab a drink
All
from
inclusive,
there?
all yours. All yours, all yours.
All for
All
us.
yours, all yours.
Okay.
That's all yours.
Nice.
Any question?
I like it.
Any question?
No
All set for
question.
now? Alrighty.
Thank you
sir,
very
bye.
much. So, real quick. Our room comes with all those rum bottles, water, and Coke, and Red Stripe beer. All included. That's the shower. It's really nice and big. Look at the overhead. Look at the tile. All right. And I guess it's lotion and conditioner. Let me see, where's the light here? Where's the light here? Oh, that's it. That's the light. Okay. Blow dryer, soap, artwork here, the poo-poo, and they got robes here. Nice. Robes, a safe. Safe right there, hangers, and I guess extra bedding. It's a nice bed, a mirror, and
Sorry.
hold on. All right, and the view of the beach. How do you open this? Let's see.
Thank you.
This room?
So I did I don't know if you guys are the same or not, but I put it makes you change the password.
Here you go.
On there?
I put no.
That's how you open it. Jesus Christ. All right. Balcony, 2 seats, and the view of Bloody Bay. Wow. This is the view from our room. Amazing. Amazing.